Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Reading Excel files in Python can be accomplished using the pandas library, which provides a convenient and efficient way to work with tabular data. Before proceeding, make sure you have the pandas library installed. If not, you can install it using. Now, let's create a simple tutorial on how to read an Excel file using Python. Now that the data is loaded into a data frame, you can explore and manipulate it. Here are some basic operations you can perform. You can access specific data in the data frame using various methods. Here's a complete example. Remember to replace path/to/your/excel/file.xlsx with the actual path to your Excel file and column name with the name of the column you want to access. This tutorial provides a basic overview of reading Excel files using Python with the pandas library. Depending on your specific needs, you can explore more advanced features and options offered by pandas for data manipulation and analysis. ChatGPT.